Let's make the best ever black beans. These are great as a chip dip, a side dish, or even in tacos and burritos. Start with a tablespoon of olive oil in a saucepan. Stir that around so that it covers the whole thing, and then add in a small onion that's diced fine, as well as 2 cloves of minced garlic. You're going to saute these together until they're soft, about 1 to 2 minutes, and just until it's fragrant and soft. Add 2 cubes of chicken bouillon, stir it up, then add in 1 can of Rotel tomatoes, the whole can, sauce, juice, and all. Then you're going to stir that up, and then you're going to add in your black beans. You're using 3 cans of black beans total. You can add in 1 can to start, or 2 cans to start, or all 3, depending on the consistency you want. I like to do 2/3 of them, cook for 5 minutes. Then I use the stick blender to blend it up and get a nice smooth consistency. That way the onions, the tomatoes, they don't show up in the beans as chunks, but they add all the flavor. Then I add the remaining beans in, cook for another 5 minutes until everything is cooked through and soft, and then you're ready to go. This is so delicious. You can adjust the amount of beans you add and blend to get the consistency you want, and get the whole recipe on easypeasymeals.com.